It's been an interesting week this week in Strasbourg. Of course, the main event was the Parliament voting in favour of Jean-Claude Juncker as the new President of the European Commission. This affects all of us, of course. It's not just that he gave his views, for example, against fracking and on GMOs and on how important small countries are in Europe, but it's also an opportunity for the Welsh Government now to really engage with this new European Commission that we're going to have, to work directly with them to see what benefits, what more benefits we can get for Wales from Europe. We've also been talking this morning in the Chamber and voting on youth employment or youth unemployment, which was a lot of the focus of the debate. We've seen this week the terrifying levels of youth unemployment in Wales, and it's really about time that the Welsh Government adopted the Youth Guarantee Scheme, the European Parliamentary Programme for young people, which means that after 3 months of unemployment or after leaving education, that they would be offered training or a job. A guarantee, not just vague promises, but a real guarantee of something, of some hope for the future. So there's a lot of work to be done, but I'm confident that in the next few years that in Plaid Cymru we will be strengthening our links with Europe, building up those relations and getting the best possible deal, putting Wales first.